Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan and this is Damaged Darts, where we specialize in converting ordinary Nerf blasters into extraordinary Nerf blasters and show you how you can do it too. Today we're going to be doing a fast action compilation showcase of our Nerf Fortnite Tactical SMG. But before we do, if you like what you see in this channel, just click the icon in the lower right hand corner and subscribe. Also, we're going to be having our booth at the Agroplex building at the Washington State Fairgrounds November 3rd from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Makerfest 2018. So if you're in the area, drop by and say hi. Also, if you notice, we are in October 2018 right now, and we're working on 3 major costume projects on our other channel, Geek of All Trades. So if you haven't checked out that channel, just click the card here. We're going to be working on our X-Force Wolverine, Classic Iron Fist, and Batgirl. So we're a bit busy in doing those right now, so we're going to take a slight break from our Nerf, but we're going to be back with some super awesome content that we're really excited about that you guys are going to love in December. So without further ado, let's do this. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed watching that video of our Nerf Fortnite Tactical SMG. Remember, we're going to be back in December with some super awesome content that we know you guys are going to love. But in the meantime, head on over to our other channel, Geek of All Trades, by clicking on the icon here to check out our 3 major costume projects, X-Force Wolverine, Classic Iron Fist, and Batgirl. Also remember, we're going to be having our booth at the Agroplex building at the Washington State Fairgrounds November 3rd from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Makerfest 2018. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, just click the double D icon below and subscribe. Also click the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. I'm Jonathan, and this is Damaged Darts.